We'll guide you through how to use star codes in Roblox. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Star codes allow you to go and support creators in Roblox. So when you go make a purchase, you can go and use one. So we guide you through how you can go and do this. So first of all, come to Roblox just as I am here. And what you need to do is head to the top right, go and click on your Robux balance, and you can then click on buy Robux. Now choose the amount of Robux you want to go and buy. In this case, I'll go and get this £10 option here. Now to go and use a star code, we can go over to the left here and click here, and you now need to go and type it in. So if you don't know one, you can go and see if a creator you watch has one. For example, I'll go and use the star code Flamingo and click add. It says you're supporting Flamingo, and it says they'll earn 5% of your purchase and you'll keep the Robux you paid for. So you can then choose your payment type and could make the purchase, and that's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.